Hi, my name is Isabella. Oh my gosh.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Where do you live?
In Mason,
Mason, where?
Michigan.
Okay. What's your favorite colors?
Pink and purple.
Who's your favorite band?
Kiss and Metallica.
And what activities do you like to do?
I collect headbands and that's all.
Any sports you like to watch?
Soccer and baseball. What?
I said watch, not play.
Well, I said baseball. Baseball.
I know. You like watching football too.
Yeah, and football.
What are your favorite teams?
Michigan. That's all. And Florida.
Well, who else?
For what?
Isn't there like a Detroit team you like?
Detroit Red Wings and Detroit Lions and Detroit Tigers.
Okay.
For all three of them.
Okay. What else?
That's
What are your
it.
favorite things? What are your favorite toys?
Candy, Little P, Rainbow Minnie Mouse, Findo. That's all.
What are your favorite characters?
Minnie Mouse, Barbie, Troll, Poppy. That's all.
That's it? What about Hello Kitty?
And Hello Kitty.
Is there anything else?
No. No, yours. Because you're going to be in a video. I'm not.
So are we good?
You have to install.
I'm not answering anything.
Please.